Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our break. We see box breaks for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 71.
Sorry. Here's the last time up for auction. Here's Edmonton.
Jumping the gun a step. Serial number of the box is NE221148628. That's NE221148628. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So that's the base card 438 to 499. David Krejci for the Bruins. Ultimate rookies for the Flyers 352 to 499. Time again. And we got ultimate rookie auto 105 to 299. Ryan Murphy for the Hurricanes. And then we finish off the ultimate patch 82 to 100. Ultimate debut threads patch of Dougie Hamilton for the Bruins. Nice looking patch to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.